This is lychee. Another some of the fruit, I don't know the name. You can see a lot of orange, that a small orange, but it's kind of lemon as well. You can see the papaya. A lot of avocado here. So not avocado, it's a guava, sorry. Yeah, guava. It's beautiful guavas here. And you can see the jackfruits. Very big one. Jackfruits on the top of the trees there. Coconut. A lot of banana here. See the mango here. It's beautiful. This is the first fruit they said for this tree. Only have few mangoes here. The green mango, still not ready. See here. Alone baby. These are the cinnamon plants ready to plant in the land for the people. Small trees. This is another fruit they call anoda. I don't know how to speak in English, but this is anoda. Very nice fruit. The flowers. This is the black pepper here. Let me show you. You see the black pepper here. How it's grooming here. The black pepper. Where is the other one? Yeah, under there also have black pepper. Yeah, this is the black pepper tree. A lot of banana and green. See that tree?